Thank you for choosing this video. Please hit the subscribe button. This is part 4 of I don't know how many. You'll notice that I put the dash in place, make the marks, take it off, put it back on, make some more marks, take it off. I do this, maybe half a dozen times. If you'll notice in the upper right corner, I still don't have it lined up and I'm putting marks, drilling holes. Wasn't paying attention, I guess. Fortunately, no big deal. Easily corrected. Take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on. I finally get it after a while. When I finally got it in proper alignment, I pre-drilled all the holes. Countersunk them to break through the gel coat so it didn't crack and chip. Ran the screws in and out to re-thread the holes. Obviously need to work on my lighting arrangements here. As we progress, I'll get more lighting. I should be drilling the hole for the helm. I'm installing the circuit breakers. I tried cutting labels out of small vinyl, but it was just too tedious to work with. So what I did is I printed them on a heavy stock label paper, and then I used a laminate overlay on top of it. And we'll see how it works. It's going to take time to find out. I made up a little chart on the right. You can barely see it under the edge there with the what size breaker goes where. I took all the breakers and labeled them with paper tags. Get them all lined up so the line and load are on the correct sides. And you'll see the reason for that in section 5. Oops, wrong hole. I finished this up later. Installed the two outlets. One's a 12 volt, standard 12 volt plug, and the other is a double USB port. That's just a protective coating that I pulled back where I was mounting the label. Still waiting for the cutter for these switches. I'll have that soon. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe. Coming up next, part 5. Wiring.